Softwares. The mobile softwares are divided into two types. One is stock Android and another one is custom made. The stock Android. The stock Android is the Android ROM which comes directly from Google without any changes. Whereas when we come to ROM of the custom made, the own mobile brands make their own changes in the custom made. So today I want to say how the stock Android experience. What I experienced from stock Android. And today I want to say the top features of stock Android. So the first one was the stock Android was very faster and smooth.
Why many people like stock Android? Because it is fast. The stock Android was very fast. The stock Android don't have any other higher themes, as it was a light theme, that's why it performs very well. As I am also using the stock Android experience, which was very fast in my mobile device Moto G5 Plus.
And the next one was boot control, as you experience a pure Android software in the stock Android.
So by using the stock Android, we can experience a pure Android feeling. The software looks like pure Android. If you want to use a pure Android, the stock Android is the best one to use.
And the next one was faster. The stock Android was very faster than any other custom ROMs.
As I said before, the stock Android was very fast. When I pre-install many apps and there is no hang in the software. The software was very light, which performs a great than any custom UI. So if you are using any custom UI, there are some little bugs in developing them. But the stock Android does not have any bugs. It performs very well.
And the next one was memory usage. The stock Android uses very less memory than the custom UI.
The stock Android was very light, as it uses very less amount of memory than the custom UI. The stock Android was very light, so it has only consumed 8 GB. So it was very light without any bloatware. So there is no hanging in the phone, as because a lot of memory was free.
The next one was battery life. The stock Android does not consume more battery than any other custom UIs.
As the stock Android was very light, so it does not consume more battery life than any other custom UI. The battery life was very good in stock Android software.
And the next one was security updates. As you are using a stock Android, you will get a security update from month to month.
Security updates. The security updates were very important to our mobile. As you are using a stock Android, the Google provides monthly security updates for your smartphone. As you can see, as I am using the security patch, my security patch level is on November 1st. So I will get an update soon from where the security patch level increases to January.
The next one was bloatware. The stock Android does not contain any unwanted apps which was pre-installed.
The bloatware is very less in stock Android. There is no other unwanted apps pre-installed in the stock Android version. So only the Google apps are installed in stock Android version.
So finally, you understood how many people like the stock Android. So if you like the video, please like our channel and also hit the bell icon. And if you like the video, please like the like button.